Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rakib Huda and my student ID is 111222069. Today my topic is how I use my skills in my daily life. What is life skill? Life skill are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable humans to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of life. I always try to wake up early in the morning and then I make my bed. Bed making is the act of arranging the bed sheets and other bedding on the bed to prepare it for use. So I always try to keep our bed clean. Then I go to the gym in my house to do some light exercises. Gym and exercises gives me motivation to push myself to the maximum limit and it energized me. So I always try to do gym. Suddenly, I noticed my study table and it was unorganized, so I started organizing my study table. Personally, I don't like unorganized table, it hampers my study mood, so I always try to organize my study table and try to keep it neat and clean. Cash management in life is very important. I always pay my utility bill of my home and do all the cash management. For healthy life, healthy food is essential. So I always try to cook at home. This can help our immune system and keep our body healthy. And I always try to use less oil because oily food is not good for our health. Less oil can keep your health healthy. So and you always keep your dishes clean because germ can be affected by it, so you have to clean it and then we can enjoy a very delicious food and a very delicious life. So always try to cook by yourself. Sometimes I swim in the swimming pool. Swimming is very important for our life. And sometimes I also play outside like football games. It also helps our physical strength. I always try to keep my house neat and clean. I wash my clothes and then I clean my house. Cleaning house is very important. It is a very good habit. Neat and clean house can make your mood cheerful. Sometimes I fix our electronic devices. By fixing electronic devices, I save our money because it costs so much money if we call a repairman or someone else. This little electronic device repairing, I do it by myself, so I save our money. And sometimes I repair my car. Mm, by repairing my car, I save a lot of money. It's a very good life skill. Everyone should know how to repair their vehicle. Thank you everyone for watching.